Go for it.
We got this bird nest up in about our gutter thing. I can hear him chirping every night. I thought about maybe just messing with the mama bird to see if it'll attack me.
What's with the glasses?
You gotta have proper protection for a species of this craziness.
Weapon of choice?
Weapon of choice? Driver.
All right, let's see it.
Got it at a garage sale. Oh yeah.
They're up there in the gutter. The mom is not gonna like this.
Apparently the robin is not a vicious species. No one's thought.
Now, he's turned his attention to the mother. I hope these people call you in. What's she doing?
Oh, yeah.
Is she coming?
No, she's at the edge.
Oh yeah, there she is on the roof. Act like you're messing with her baby, see what she does. Tap the drainage, see if you can get him to chirp. I could just... Does she like it?
Getting angry.
Oh yeah, there she is up on the roof. See if she come down, Brandon.
I don't know how to get her down.
Reach for the babies again, see if it does anything.
I don't want to touch her.
Oh gosh. Oh!
Oh!
Dude, earlier she swooped. Oh!
Oh
Dude, I thought she was coming.
Oh, she's running.
Maybe if I disappear for a second.
She'll come back. Look at him. People are driving by that car. Oh, I thought they were turning around.